Hello everybody, I'm Jamie and this is my academic report based on a survey. So first thing we had to do was come up with a topic that related to technology, and then our instructor compiled all of our ideas for us to get to a consensus of a topic that's the effects of social media on one's self-esteem. Then in preparation for making the survey, we had to research about the topic and also read a handout about how to write questions. Then we provided the instructor with 3 questions, and again, she compiled it all, and we had to choose 8 questions from the list. Here are the 8 questions that I chose. Next, we created a survey using surveymonkey.com. Then the next step was to distribute the surveys via social media, texts, and physical copies to HPU students. For calculating the results, we use Excel. We use functions and formulas to easily calculate, and also pie charts for visual representation of the results. Here are some examples. Then we analyzed the results, and this was done by taking 5 out of the 8 questions and comparing it with the research that was done, initially telling what the numbers mean. Then, when we were creating the paper, we were asked to discuss the topic, the survey, and the analysis of the results, which was basically just the data and comparing it to the research that we did. Here's my research paper, and this is the design that I chose, more specifically this part of the design. And that represents the Philippine sun, which can also be found in the Filipino flag. What I did to make this design was I used shapes, pentagon shapes, and I did a white pentagon, and then I put a black pentagon on top of it, which you can see right here. And then I inserted another pentagon right here. And basically, I copied and pasted this segment. I grouped these 2 segments and created these other 2 to create the sun rays of the Philippine sun. Thank you so much for listening to this presentation. Have a good one.